Hello, my name is Elena and today we will do a stylish male manicure. I start my work by shaping nails with a nail file. My client is a man, so we do short nails. He did not want long ones. Next, I do a dry manicure with a machine and nail drill. I gently clean off dry skin, remove the cuticle and get the perfect result. I will definitely make a video on this topic, where I will tell you everything in detail. Next, I prepare the nail plate for the base coating. I put a primer and thin layer of base gel. In male manicure, I do not straighten nails so as not to create the volume of the nail plate. My client's nails are strong and healthy, so the manicure will last a long time with a thin layer of base gel. Then I take the main color, we choose black gel polish. I put it in two thin layers and help myself with a thin line brush by painting it under the cuticle. It's very important that you clean the cuticle and dead skin well. Otherwise, the black gel will stain the skin and you will not be able to make it up under the cuticle. I cover the color with a matte top coat. I always file a manicure with the beauty of the shape of the nails, and then there would be no chips of gel in the future. We are starting to make a design. Today we choose a design with Mickey Mouse in sketch technique. I always start drawing with a pencil, and when the character is ready, I start painting it with gel paints. I need this very thin brush to paint my Mickey. I take red gel paint and black. I duplicate my sketch with paint, trying to make the line thin, as if I'm drawing with a liner and not a brush. Our first Mickey Mouse is ready. Now we are drawing the second Mickey, only from the side. second hand, we will draw Mickey's glove in the same way, first with a pencil and then with the gel paint. The guy wanted this Mickey to show everyone indecent things. We laughed together and I start drawing.
If you let me put it
I cover it with a matte top and admire the result.
if you let me put it
Such a stylish manicure will definitely be noticed by others. The client was very satisfied and gave me great tips.